Hi everyone, I'm Malik Zitke and I'm the event planner for the Climate Change and Asset Management Conference taking place in a few short weeks. And with me today we have Christine Zimmer, and Christine is the Chief Specialist with the Watershed Division of the Credit Valley Conservation Authority. So welcome, Christine.
Welcome. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you for being here. And can you just give us a bit of an idea of your background? What is it that you do?
Well, I've been at the Credit Valley Conservation Authority for over 15 years, and I have a great role because I work very closely with our municipal partners. And what we do is look at where are the challenges, where are the issues that we face in stormwater management, in protecting properties, infrastructure from flooding, ensuring that we have good quality water. And so in doing that, we've developed different techniques like green infrastructure. We've worked very closely with private and public sector to put them in the ground and monitor them. And now we've developed a tool to help us assess risk with respect to climate change and to help us look at what are the best adaptation strategies for a particular case study. So that's what I'm hoping to talk about and share with you today.
Oh, that's excellent. So I understand that you are not just working alone with this workshop that you're offering at the conference. You have two other partners. So maybe just give us an idea of what you'll be covering.
Yeah, as I mentioned, at the Credit Valley Conservation, we work very closely with our municipal partners. So I'm really excited because as part of this workshop, I have the honor of co-presenting with Manif Ahmed from the city of Mississauga and Christine Guido from town of Caledon. And so we're going to share some of the exciting work that we're doing as part of the Peel Climate Change Partnership for flood resiliency.
That's amazing. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to be with us today. And for all of you out there who are watching, don't forget to register for the March 22nd, 23rd, part 2 of the Climate Change and Asset Management Ontario Conference.